Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I show how to make money by just watching YouTube videos. It's not any other video guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, what do you expect from this video? In this video I showed a new method to make money online by just watching YouTube videos guys. It's available worldwide no matter where are you from, and it's also legitimate way to make money guys. It's not like any scammy website to make fake money. It's legit way to make money guys. Okay guys, let's dive into this video. Before diving into this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online. Hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends and families, and comment below your thought. Without any further ado, let's go. The website we're gonna see is called Upwise guys. You can go join upwise.com guys. This is new website you can make money guys. It's available all worldwide guys, no matter where you're from. Get paid for the time you spend on Amazon, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn guys. It's easy. I review this website guys. Stay tuned for more. Who you are matter guys. It's no matter who you are and no matter where are you from guys. It's available worldwide guys. And let's see how it's work guys. Just sign up with your Facebook account guys and install your Chrome extension guys. I show how's the Chrome extension and earn guys. It's a passive income, like kind of passive income. You can browse YouTube and watch videos and make money guys. It's easy. And go to Facebook and browse, you can make money guys. And this is some testimonial guys. Bailey Lucas earning money for nothing. Literally you wouldn't add this extension. Seriously, get paid to visit sites you already do daily guys. As I told earlier, you already do daily, you can make money guys. Just install this extension on your browser and get paid guys. It's easily you get paid just for having extension guys. Just visit whenever you can and whatever you can and wherever you can guys, and visit and make money guys. That's the website motive. And this is the reward guys, how much you can make as soon as you are qualified as a member of this upwise.com guys, and you will begin to collect tokens which can later be redeemed by selection e-gift card guys. It's if you use your participation site daily, you can gain at least $75 annually guys in reward. $75 guys. Easily you can do whatever you can do daily, you can get paid for that guys. It's easy money guys. $75 per year guys. Just easy. Just install the Chrome extension and do whatever you do guys daily. You can get paid $75 guys. It's easy money. Who wants this money guys? Just subscribe for my channel for more update guys. And this company about privacy guys. This company respect your privacy and protected data guys using the highest security standard guys, firewall, and no privacy, no any other privacy problem guys. It's all privacy guys. Your data, it's not sell any your data for other company guys. It's all privacy for you guys. And this is guys, it's not us, it's you guys. It's easy. Just to go to this joinupvoice.com guys and get paid guys. If it is where I leave a link below guys, just to click and go to this website and get paid guys. Install Upwise Chrome extension and earn $75 or more in variety e-gift card guys. But it's one downside guys, it's not available in the PayPal guys. It's only Amazon gift card, Uber, Visa, something stuff, e-gift card guys, not a hard cold PayPal cash guys. That's a down back for this guys. I show the house the extension look like guys, and this is the extension guys. I leave this extension for you guys because this website not any tell about where the extension will where exists guys. I leave a link for you this extension guys. Just to click and go to this page and add to Chrome guys. It's easily just guys. Just see guys, earn $75 annually guys. It's easily $75 per year guys. Who wants $75? Just hit the subscribe button for me guys. And this is the website guys. This is a quick video for you guys, just to get paid for your free time guys. And I found you this website for you, so I just created this video for you guys. Just as you appreciate my video title or my work, just hit the subscribe button, share with your friends and family guys. And also sorry for my accent guys, I just learned to English to make some accent guys. Sorry for my accent for this. Some also I have a little mic problem guys, for that I can speak lots of way in this house guys, because I am here in some kind of bad house guys. So for apology for that guys, for any some accent and some grammatical mistake, for that guys, apology for that. And if you get any value from this, hit the subscribe button guys, and I leave link for this page guys, and go to and just click add to Chrome guys. Just click add to Chrome, just checking, and some pop-up menu pop up guys, just click add extension guys. It's just easily add your extension to your Chrome guys. It's easy guys, just click 2 buttons, you get paid guys. It's easy method, you can make tons of money guys. You click the link below guys. This is not any affiliate link guys, just a link you can click and get installed and get paid guys. It's easy money. If you get any value from this video, hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.